All right, what's up guys? Welcome back to another episode of the Distillery Exclusive series. This week I'm going to be doing Odd Society Spirits, and I will be making a Canadian coffee. All right, enjoy. So as we all know, the Irish coffee, typically Jameson, because that's what bars have, and then some brown sugar, some coffee, and some heavy cream on top. Now the origin of that cocktail is kind of cool. So there was an American reporter in Limerick, Ireland. He went and he talked to the bartender to get a coffee. He asked if that was a Brazilian coffee. Bartender said, no, that's an Irish coffee. He enjoyed the hell out of that, and then he took it home and he went to his local bartenders and he was like, can you recreate this? The American bartender wasn't able to get the cream to stay on top, so we actually flew right to the source, right back to Limerick, and tried to figure it out by asking the bartenders there. It's actually quite simple now that we know. Obviously, you just float it on top using the back end of a bar spoon. You can just pour your heavy cream, whipped cream in America, on top, and it levels out quite nicely. Everybody's heard of an Irish coffee. Everybody knows what an Irish coffee is. Canadian coffee, same damn thing. But with Canadian whiskey, and I put maple syrup in it, it makes it more Canadian. For the Canadian whiskey though, I used Odd Society Spirits maple barrel aged. All right, maple barrel aged whiskey, single malt. It's actually maple wood smoked malted barley, and then they actually age it very briefly in a maple syrup barrel. Okay, so an ex-maple syrup barrel. It's very rare that I will buy anything that's maple other than maple syrup. This one's done in a nice delicate way where the maple comes through, but it's not overbearing, it's not intense. It comes in as a nice sidekick to the malted barley on its own. So that's it for me today. I'm going to enjoy my cocktail and get back to it. All right, cheers.